Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here it's a bit weird, it's just my hands because I'm gonna be doing a crochet video showing you how to crochet two simple crochet patterns that you could apply to anything that you want to make. You'll probably see these used the most for tutorials and stuff, and a couple of you wanted to know how to crochet, so I'm going to be showing you two different patterns in two different colors so we know wagwan. So I have a 4mm crochet hook, and I recommend getting a 4 or 4.5 needle or crochet hook because it is like a nice average standard for using all types of yarn. So I'm just going to be doing like a square piece of double crochet. So I'm going to be doing 4x4, roughly about 15 chains. So firstly, chains, you may not know what that is. So basically how you're going to start off your crochet, so you cross it over like so you're left with like a loop, and then you twist it so you're like a figure of 8, and then you grab the longer part of the string that is connected to the yarn and pull it through so that you have a loop that you can adjust. So I'll show you again. So you're gonna have your yarn like this in your hands, twist it, like cross it over, and then put 3 fingers through, and then pick up the yarn through the loop, and then you're left with a knot. So you can put your hook through, make the loop smaller, you just pull both. So to do a chain, you're gonna yarn over and then pull straight through the loop. So once again, yarn over, so yarn over and then pull straight through the loop. Okay, so I decided to zoom in so that you can see better. So these are called chains, which are like the backbone of whatever you want to make. And we're going to do 15 of those. So we've done two loops so far, so we're going to do another one. So yarn over, pull through, chain, yarn over, and then just pull through, you've got another chain. So yarn over, pull through, another chain. So I'm just going to do that until we both have 15 chains. So now you have 15 chains, around about 4 inches of chains. Then we can now do the next step of actually doing the double crochet now. Yes, so now to begin a double crochet, we're going to flip our work. So we're going to yarn over, and we're going to put our hook, we're going to skip the first one where our loop is and go to the second one. So we've yarned over, and now we're putting the hook into the second space, and so now it's like so, and then we're going to pull through so that we have 3 loops on our chain, and then loop, and then yarn over again, and then pull through, pull the yarn through the first two, so like so, and then yarn again, and then through the last 2, and then you have a double crochet. So we're going to do that again, go through that again. We're going to yarn over, put it in the hole here, and then pull through so that we have, make sure that we have 3 loops like so on our hook, and then we're going to yarn over and then pull through the first 2, so we have 2 loops left over, and then yarn over again, and then pull the loop through the last 2 again. So you'll be able to see the pattern. Okay, so now we're on to the last space. So we're gonna yarn over and then put the head through the needle head, and then have 3 separate loops, and then yarn through the first 2, yarn over again, pull through the last 2. So yeah, we've completed a row. So now we have finished the row. So now we are going to chain 2 so we can start our next row. So chain 1 and then chain 2 like we did in the beginning of the video. So to start off now, we are going to yarn over, and we're not going to put our hook in the first loop, but we're going to skip that one and go to the second one and pull through, and then we have 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the second 2. So now we're going to go again, and then yarn over, go into the next hole, pull through, have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. So hopefully you guys have gotten the gist, gotten the idea of it. So I'm gonna stop explaining and just do it so that you can see it in a faster, more unified motion. So now we are done with the 2 rows. So once again, make sure that when you always end a row to chain 2 so that you can have the height for the next row. So I'm going to get off camera and 4 inches for a 4x4 square. Finished off the square. It's a bit over, no, it is 4x4. It is 1 2 3 4 5, it is 6 rows instead. So I'm going to show you how to finish off your work. So you're just going to do a single chain like so. Get yourself some scissors, and then you snip and then pull through, tighten, and then you have your square. I just loop in and out to hide. You could cut it off, but I like to loop the work in and out of various loops. So that is the double crochet done. So let's move on to the single crochet. You guys should be experts now on how to start off. So you should cross over and then pull through, and then you should have your loop, and then put it through and then tighten. So we're going to chain again. Let's chain 15 and see if that's 4 inches. So chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So let's chain until we get 15 or so. So now we have 15 chains. Again, for single crochet, we are going to skip the first one and go to the second loop. So for single crochet, we do not yarn over, we just put the hook straight into the second spacing, and then pull through, and then yarn over and then pull through both. Straight into the next loop, pull through, and then yarn over and then pull through both of them. That's how it looks like. So now to prepare for the height of the next row, we're going to chain 2. So yarn over, pull through. So we chain 2, we're going to flip our work, and we are going to not put it in the first loop because that's where our chain is. We're going to skip and go to the second loop, and we're going to put it through both the loops. Like you see how there are 2 strands of yarn, we're going to put it through both of them. So like we did before, 2 loops on a hook and then yarn over, pull through. So once again, we were not yarning over, we're going straight into the next hole, pull through. So we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. So go straight in to the hook. So we have 2, and then pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. So no yarning, just going straight through the loop. So we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. So we're now at the next row, so we're gonna chain up 2 like so. I'll do one more row again. So, it's a bit fiddly, this one. So we've chained up 2, we're not going in the first hole, we're going in the second row hole straight away. Then gonna pull through, and then yarn over, pull through both of the loops. So going straight in the next hole, and then we're gonna hook the yarn on our hook, pull it through the loop, the hole, and then yarn over, and then pull through both of the loops. So this is where we are at. Once again, I'm going to continue doing it until I reach 4 inches. So I'll do that off camera and get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the completed single crochet square. These are the 2 patterns. This is single and this is double, so hopefully you guys can see the difference. Personally, single crochet is my favorite. I just love the pattern of it and everything. Double crochet is really good and it's really popular as a go-to stitching pattern. So these are the 2 basics that you can apply to different clothings, blankets, scarves, whatever that you wish to do, shorts, some bralettes. you can apply these stitches to whatever you want to make. So thank you for watching the video, this tutorial, and hopefully it was helpful. I don't usually do this stuff, but you know, I just wanted to help any of you guys out who are interested in starting crocheting, especially during lockdown. We have all this time. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.